We are pleased to show you the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, cargo net, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.